Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet the third starnish design for a roll of mask adapter. This design is made of normal pair of puff cluster. However, I added new touch on the top of each puff to give it new look and to make it different from another one. This is what it looks like. And this is how to wear it. Well everyone, kindly watch this video and don't forget to subscribe. To create this pattern, you need to have yarns, crochet hook, tapestry needles, buttons, and a pair of scissors. Firstly, make a slip knot and chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 single crochet in chain 1, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, wear 6 incomplete half double crochet in this space to make puff stitch. Grab the yarn to complete the puff. Make chain 1 and 3 single crochet on top of puff. 1, 2, 3, chain 2 to make a picot stitch. 1, 2, and make a picot stitch here. Insert the hook into 2 loops, grab the yarn and pull through whole loops. Then 3 single crochet again in the same space. 1, 2, 3, make a slip stitch. This is very important. Slip stitch in the same space. Then chain 3 again. 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch beside the puff. Chain 3 again. 1, 2, 3, turn, make 6 incomplete half double crochet in this space. Grab the yarn to complete the puff. Chain 1, 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 2 for a picot stitch. 1, 2, insert the hook into 2 loops to make a picot stitch. Okay, grab the yarns, pull through whole loops. Make 3 more single crochet in the same space. 1, 2, 3, and don't forget to slip stitch. This is very important part. Okay, slip stitch down. Chain 3 again. 3 and slip stitch beside the puff. Okay, this is what it looks like. Chain 3, turn, make 6 incomplete half double crochet in this space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Grab the yarn to complete the puff pattern. Then chain 1, 3, single crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 2 pop picot stitch, 1, 2, insert the hook into 2 loops, and grab the yarn, then pull it through whole loops. Okay, then 3 more single crochet in the same space, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch in the same space, then chain 3 again, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch beside the puff. Chain 3 again, turn, make 6 incomplete half double crochet in this space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Grab the yarn to complete the puff pattern. Chain 1, 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 2 picot stitch, insert the hook here, grab the yarn and pull it through all loops to complete the picot stitch, then 3 more single crochet, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch in the same space, slip stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch beside the puff. It looks like this. Repeat the pattern until you get the desired length. I made 10 pairs pop cluster for this tutorial. Then make optional chain 16, slip stitch in the same space, add 1 more chain, then cut the yarn, finally sew on the button. third starnish design for a roll mask adapter is ready now. You can try it yourself. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.